In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning product photos that will captivate your audience and enhance your brand's presence, all while keeping things simple and effective. Whether you are photographing items for an online store or just want to up your social media game, these tips will help you get professional looking photos without the need for expensive equipment or a photography studio. First, let's talk about lighting. One of the best and easiest ways to ensure your product photos look great is by using natural light. If possible, try to take your photos near a window or outside. Natural light is soft and helps reveal the true colors of your product without creating harsh shadows. Morning or late afternoon can be the best times to shoot, as the angle of the sunlight produces a softer, diffused light. If you're indoors, pull back the curtains and let the light in. Avoid using overbearing artificial light, which can change the hues and make your products look quite different from how they do in person. Now, once you have your light source figured out, choose a simple background. This is key because a cluttered or overly complex background can distract from the product itself. Neutral tones tend to work best, as they provide a clean and unobtrusive backdrop that allows the product to be the main focus. You could use a white sheet, a piece of fabric, or a piece of poster board as an easy DIY solution. This simplicity makes your item stand out, helping potential customers or viewers to focus on the details that matter. With your setup complete, it's time to start taking photos, and here's where variety can make a big difference. Capture your product from multiple angles. Sometimes a photo from just one angle doesn't capture an item's unique features or usability. By taking shots from various perspectives, you provide a more comprehensive view of the product. This approach also helps potential buyers imagine the product in real life and see how it might fit into their lives. Consider capturing close-ups to highlight specific features and take shots from further away to show the product in its entirety. An excellent way to add context is by showing scale and usage. For instance, if you're selling a physical product, showing it in use or in a setting can give a better sense of its actual size and functionality. This can be as simple as including a commonly recognized item for scale or showing the product being used in its intended environment. Finally, editing is where your photos truly come to life. Using apps like Lightroom or Canva, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and clarity to make sure the image accurately represents your product. You don't need to be an expert to make small adjustments. Increase brightness if the photo is too dark, adjust contrast to make it pop, and enhance clarity to bring out details. These subtle changes can make your product photos stand out, while ensuring they remain true to life. By harnessing the power of natural light, choosing simple backgrounds, capturing multiple angles, and refining your images with editing apps, you're well on your way to creating impressive product photos that resonate with your audience. Happy photographing, and see you next time.